Hello again, everybody. Harry Boxer, the technical trader at thetechtrader.com. It's Tuesday night. What a wild day on Wall Street. By the way, the date is, let's see, it's April the 15th, tax day, and kind of a wild and crazy day on Wall Street. Up and down and up and down. It's like the markets doesn't know what to do, but it's a great time for trading, that's for sure. Let's take a look at the alphabetically stocks I'm interested in to talk about tonight. First of all, Alcoa has been wonderful, and you can see how it's trended up beautifully in the last several weeks, off the under $8 level up to over 13. Now it bounced 3 or 4 times up in that 13.20 zone. Today it got up to 13.08. If it can get through 13.20, I think we're going to 14.5 and then 16. Those are my targets. Love to see it hold 12. That's important support. AKBA, a fairly new biotech stock, and in this world of biotechs, with the biotechs getting hammered, this is going in the opposite direction. Nice stuff there. As you can see, the pop out of the falling wedge after the IPO. And then today, a positive inside day, stock moving up $1.12 or 5.3%. If it can get it above this 22.5, 23 zone, I think we can be a $28 stock. So keep your eye on this one. It's kind of an intriguing pattern for me. I love the surge in unbalanced volume. BIOF had an interesting day today. After the big pop 2 weeks ago, nice little wedge formed, low volume, and today it popped from 510 to 574 before finishing at 568, up 51 cents, 10%, 500,000 shares. I need some more volume. I need to get it above last week's high, above 620. That'll get us going. My first target is 7 3/4. My second target is 10. We have wave 1, 2, 3, and 4. Fifth wave could take us up there. ENOC, interesting pattern forming. The bottom half of this long-term rising channel was thwarted when it reached lateral resistance up around the 23.5 level, double top. And it pulled back, bounced, and pulled back and bounced. You can see it's consolidating for the last 3 months. But now that it's near the channel bottom here, it appears that this one may make a move. It's up $1.74, 8.62%. And if we can get it up through the recent highs, up around 22.40, I think this one goes to, once it gets past 23, to 27. FXEN, we put a swing on this today. And the reason I did is because after a year-long base pattern, back and forth, you can see how it's pressing the top end here. And any move across the 405 range should quickly see 450, 60. But my target's 5 and 6 on it on a swing trade. Let's see if this base comes to fruition and we break out. Today's volume of 2.6 million, the best volume on the stock since May of last year. Now HK, a junior oil stock that's been coming down quite a bit in the last couple of years, finally, after reversing through this declining tops line here, ran up to resistance, backed off, ran up again, backed off, and finally blew through and consolidated. The last couple of days, we've seen the stock run up to the 522 range, backed off, and then closed with positive inside day today. Volume was still strong, almost 10 million. I'm looking for 5.5 and 6 1/4 going forward for HK. Another junior oil is KOG, which has been acting very well also, kind of from 11 to 13.5 in just the last few weeks, slowly but surely. If we can get through 14.10, I'm looking for 16.5. Maxwell continues to really impress me. I love the long-term base pattern in here, the hidden shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. I like the explosive move it had with volume here, and now that beautiful wedge. The way this is setting up, in my opinion, if we can get a price volume thrust above 15, we can see 18 and 21 in Maxwell. Rambus, very quietly and very sneaky. Rambus has been moving up since last April, a year ago, when it was trading around 5.5. It has more than doubled, but recently, coming across a triple top, you can see that the breakout and the pullback and retest twice of not only price but rising 21-day moving average support indicates higher levels to come. And it looks to me like this could be a $16 stock. That's my swing trade target. Silica also making new highs today. This is, I believe, all-time highs. And we're going to have to take a quick look at this. Yeah. If you go back, let's see that this is the highest level the stock's ever been in since it went public a couple of years ago. More importantly, lateral price resistance here taken out and tested, as well as the 21-day moving average. And the next target is 44, 45 zone, and then high 40s. SPCB sneaking up as well, up 17 cents, 2.2%. 321,000, not a lot of buying, but it's thin stock. However, the double top was taken out. And this is new all-time highs for SPCB. Super Comet may move towards 10. That's my next target. Vintner, very strong relative strength after the explosive move in the pullback. It ran up, backed off and held, ran up again, made a nominal new high up around 813 and backed off to hold. You can see the rising channel here and here maybe forming. The next target is 8.5 3/4 and then 10. And that's it tonight for the long side of the boxer shorts, charts of the, boxer brief and the charts of the day. Good night, everyone. I'll talk to you in the trading room tomorrow. Bye now.